Alright, so we have to get the spell from this guy, the guy I was talking about. And the way to do that is to leave the room, so he goes back to sleep, and then sneak back in by stopping time. And here we go. There it is. The Firehaven spell.
Thank you, my sleepy friend. Shh, now. Don't wake.
What does that spell do? Aha. Nice. That's very, very nice. Alright. And next we have to go to this area right here. We have to go downstairs to the mines, and then we're pretty much done with this whole dungeon. Well, we are done, actually. Okay. Now we do have something that can fight this. Remember our magic crossbow? Just have to make sure we don't fire at the rock in front of us. And he's dead. Let's put that back in here. I'm gonna put on this necklace of strength thing. Alright, and it looks like the rafters fell down here, so we'll just cast the mending spell. Bloop. And it fixes itself. Who's this guy?
By the ancients, you look to be in terrible condition.
You try living on rats, bugs, and foul water. How will you look after such a trap?
I apologize. I meant no offense. It's a wonder you came out alive from behind that wall of rubble. Were you trying to escape the creatures?
No. I know what happened to the city, but it's not why I'm here. It means nothing now. I was trying to find the Hearthstone.
You risked your life for a stone?
Not any stone. One found once in 1,000 years. A stone so beautiful. A stone warm and alive with goodness.
Did you unearth it?
No, but I have the lure to find it.
What is this lure?
Something I spent many months researching. You see, in its natural state, the Hearthstone cannot be seen by mortal eyes.
I would guess the lure somehow reveals it to you.
Watch for the glow. You will be close. The lure and the Hearthstone both come alive when they near one another.
You speak as if you would give me this lure of yours.
I would. It is yours. I have no stomach for hunting treasure. Not with the city attacked, and my own daughter lost above.
I've met your daughter. She has the strength to survive.
My wife! Do you know of my wife as well?
Her wits saved your daughter, but she did not escape.
Perhaps with my little one, I can escape the city.
In that, I wish you luck.
That's some top-notch
Very
voice
well.
acting right there.
I'll remember.
Well, alright. Well, this level is pretty much pointless. There's no treasure here. There are squares that drain off your mana, and there's satanic jesters. Oh, well, yeah, you'll see in a second. Yes. Ow. Come on. Yep. Satanic jesters. Yeah. Anyways, there's not much to explore here. There's some magic herbs, but other than that, there's nothing here but the Hearthstone, so we should just get it and leave. Yeah, it's fine. Satanic jesters. Alright, where is it? Let's grab this. Let's try this direction. Yeah, that's quite a strange enemy. Where is it? Do we have to be holding? I think we might have to be holding. There it is.
As the miner said, beautiful, beyond compare.
Put that in our quest bag. I think we can ditch some of this stuff. Alright, let's get out of here.